Okay, folks. Sorry it's been a little bit. It took me a little while to get to this, but this is what I had to do to install this thing. I had to pop this off in order to gain access to the inside of this. And I didn't use the original screws. I bought some toggle bolts, and I had to cut them because they were just too long. I used the included washers on that, and I got her installed. It's about as sturdy as it's going to be. There's an adjustment screw down here to tighten or loosen this, and in order to get to that screw, you got to take the cable management cover off. And right here is the adjustment screw for this, the tension, and it's positive and negative, and it's on the lowest setting, and it's still tight as hell. And you got these up here. I think that, I'm not sure if that is adjustable or not, but this, just this. I don't think it's adjustable with a swivel like that. Be careful when you screw screws in because they might strip. I stripped this one. As far as the holder is concerned, that's to latch this. This goes in and out to hold it. Also goes up and down. And one thing that I did find out is it doesn't hold fat laptops. I mean, this laptop isn't really that thick, but this does not hold this laptop when these things are pushed in all the way and locked into place. This will still fall off. And you got these things on the bottom. They flip like that in order to hold it. It works really good with my other laptop, but this one not so much. And that's what the plate looks like. I am gonna install a monitor arm that looks exactly the same, because I mean this is a monitor arm, because there's the VESA mount right there. This kit just included the plate for the laptop holder. It can be installed here, or you can use the ones on the top. And I am going to put it on the 2x4 over where my old one used to be. That one was leaning and getting too rickety, and I'll be doing that at a later date. But I bought another one of these, but it didn't include this. It was a little bit cheaper too. It said it was used, so I haven't even opened that box yet, but I'll get to that eventually. But that's what I had to do to this thing. I'll just see here, maybe I can show you how that yeah, okay, that's how you adjust it. Well, that's all for that video. I know this was a quickie, but thanks for watching. Have a good day.